AEON Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Yes, I'm just looking and observing at Aeon Biopharma. Not looking good, honestly, and I know like a lot of people are just hyping the crap out of this, but nah, not necessarily. I'm trying to be like realistic here. I began being bearish when this was at 10 bucks, really, and you might be thinking like, you're lying. There's no way you were bearish when this was 10 bucks. Now, it has to be like one of these videos. It was 12, what the hell, 12 cents? Oh, it's because of a reverse play, my bad. So yeah, like, but it really came down. It really came down from here to down there, like 92% down, as long as freaking 96. But yeah, then we had like a reverse play. It now makes sense, but it's still like a bearish market. Like even here, if there is a shift, might as well take a short sell. But what I'm very against is just forcing movements. No, I mean, I want to keep it chill, right? Because, you know, refine this for freaking 37,000 videos, the strategy itself. Very simple gaming trading, 2 games, getting inside a trade game, managing the trade game. Nothing else really. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.